It's joyful June. Did you get the memo? It's joyful June. So I've declared it joyful June. You know why? Because I realize that I spend so much time working, being busy, taking care of others, taking care of so many other responsibilities that having fun, being joyful just doesn't make it to the top of my to-do list every day. And I'm determined to fix that. I really want to remind myself and remind you to find a way, find some time every day, every week to just add a little bit more joy, add a little bit more fun into your life. So this is, it's not as hard as it sounds, or maybe it doesn't sound hard to you. So I'm going to give you a couple ideas of things that you can do to just add a little bit more fun, add a little bit more joy into your day. So this could range from simple things, just like having lunch with a friend, having a date night with your partner, treating yourself to something really small when you go out to grocery shop the next time. If you like ice cream, buy yourself your favorite flavor of ice cream. A little bit of ice cream is not going to kill you. Or you can do a new type of activity. Get out, do a new type of activity that you've always wanted to try. It could be yoga, it could be walking, it could be taking a dance class. Just do something that you really enjoy that you've always wanted to do. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm getting to that age where a lot of my friends and family members are starting to have health struggles. They're starting to have challenges with their health. And some of my friends and family members are even starting to pass away. So that's really making me think about, okay, I don't have forever on this planet. I need to make sure that I carve out some time in my life to have fun, to bring joy into my life, and to just enjoy our time here on planet Earth. So a couple of strategies that I use that might also help you. Number one, I make this a priority. Yes, it's important. It's really important to carve out some time in your day, in your week, in your month to have some fun, to do things that bring you joy. So number one, make it a priority. It is important. It's not trivial. It's really important for us to enjoy our life, to have fun. It helps us to release our stress and anxiety, bring down the cortisol level. So there are lots of actual health benefits that come along with just having more fun and bringing more joy into your day. So that's the first thing. Make it a priority. So that means, number two, you got to schedule it. You got to schedule it into your day. You got to treat it like a meeting. You got to schedule it just like you would schedule any other really super important appointment. So you can call it whatever, my fun activity for the day, for the week, for the month. Schedule it in, put it on the calendar, put it in your, put it down on paper what you're going to do today, this week, this month to have fun. So you got to schedule it in. And then the last strategy is work with somebody else. Well, not work, have fun with somebody else. Get somebody else into the picture. So get your partner, your friend, your family member, schedule it with them ahead of time. Say, hey, I'm trying to just, do a little bit more fun things. Can we get together? Can we do something? You don't even need to explain to them why, but you could just bring somebody in. It's like having an accountability fun buddy, somebody that you're gonna have fun with, that you're gonna play with, your play partner, whatever you want to call it. But if you involve somebody else, it's not just you. Especially if it's somebody that you really enjoy spending time with, you really like, somebody that makes you laugh, get them involved. Get them involved in what you're doing, and this should help. This will help because it won't be just you. And remember, if you need a little bit more fun into your life, if you want to have a little bit more joy, I'm pretty sure that a lot of the people around you, your friends and family, are also having the same challenge to be able to schedule in, have some fun, bringing more joy into their life. So those are 3 strategies that I use to help me to schedule in a little bit more fun. Like I said, Make it a priority, schedule it in, and bring, have a partner, have a play partner. That's what I'm going to call it, a play partner. So let me know if this can work for you. And remember, it's Joyful June, so we're going to be having some more fun today, this week, this month, and hopefully it will carry over to the rest of the year. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please leave me in the comments what you think and let me know what you're doing to have fun today. Okay, what are you doing to have fun today?